The default Samsung tones are okay. But if you want to make your Galaxy S26 Ultra truly yours, you will want to set your own music or custom sounds. Today, I will show you how to set any song as a ringtone and more importantly, how to unlock the hidden settings to change the sounds for specific apps like WhatsApp or messages. These steps work for S26, S26 Plus and Ultra. Let's jump in. First, swipe down to open your notification panel. Tap Settings. Next, Sound and Vibration. Here, Ringtone. If you use dual SIMs, select the correct tab at the top. To use your own MP3, tap the plus sign in the top right. Select your track from the sound picker and tap Done. Your main ringtone is set. Before we change notification sounds, there is a setting Samsung often hides by default. Without this, you can't set different sounds for different apps. Go to Settings, Notifications, Advanced Settings. Scroll to the very bottom and ensure Manage Notification Categories for each app is toggled on. If you don't do this, you won't see the custom options we are about to use. Now, let us set that custom sound. Go to Settings, Sounds and Vibration, Notification Sound. Pick your SIM and choose a preloaded tone. But if you want your own MP3, there is a folder trick. Open the My Files app. Find your audio file in Downloads or Audio. Long press it and tap Copy. Now go back to internal storage. Find the Notifications folder and tap Copy here. Now, when you go back to the notification sound settings, your custom file will appear at the top under Custom. Now that the file is in the right place, you can assign it to a specific app. Go to Settings, Apps, and pick an app like Messages. Tap Notifications, Notification Categories. Choose the category. Tap Sound. Select your custom file. This is how you know exactly which app is pinging you. Finally, for specific people, open Contacts. Select a person. Tap the three dots and choose Change Ringtone or Vibration. Ringtone. Pick your song. Hit back and you are done. That is how you fully customize your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If this hidden tip helped you out, hit like and subscribe to Tech to Touch. Thanks for watching.